Hey YouTube, Super RC with another box break video. Today I'm opening 2023 Leaf Quick Hit Multisport. I saw a bunch of YouTube videos, was inspired, saw that it was only $99. What was the range? $1 floor, $300 ceiling, and pretty impressed, kind of expecting to get a Leaf hit at the end, but again, just really excited, cannot wait to see. I just want to see what kind of buybacks in here, so let's get to the break. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Let's go open it. Ooh, this is an older one. Why? Because it's got the foam instead of the cardboard. Okay, let's see what we got. And I feel the last hit is a one touch, so we'll see. Okay. First off, we have Jalen Johnson for basketball. Autograph. Got a playoff ticket. Darion Kendrick. Got autograph Minnesota Twins Bowman. We got Marco Raya. Got Robert Stone, WWE. Looks like Chrome Refractor, 10 of 10. Got another refractor. Looks like, see here, Slade Cecconi, purple numbered out of 250. Jaden Springer, autograph. Okay, our first Angels, Jared Walsh, relic from Heritage. It's a baseball box. It's like Christian Yelich, Heritage again. The one before the hit is a Jake Myers Inception Auto to 99. And let's see the big hit. Caleb Williams. All right, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care.